Has their big smiles on? Okay. The names I will call are the top 3 finalists who will move forward to the final stage. And the first name I will announce is Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan, Ordaneta City!
You are an inch closer of winning the crown, Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan. Whoop. It's you, Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan, San Fabian.
Biglang nagising ang audience natin. Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan! Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan! The Soul!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 3 finalists for Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan 2025.
What an incredible group of women. We can't wait to see how they shine in the final stage of the competition. So stunning in person.
Top 3 Q&A!
Do you have any idea? Kasi ang ating final question ay magagaling sa isa sa pinaka-importanting tao sa universe. Do you have any idea? I'll give you a hint. Pinakuso niya ang Tampisaw Walk. Binisita niya pa tayo dito all the way from Manila.
Yes, at syempre, when she was competing, pinag-uusapan ng iba't ibang Disney princess photo shoot.
Nandito, si Chelsea.
Gown niya with a lot of fur. I was also able to witness that live coronation of Miss Universe Philippines. She really stood out, absolutely stunning. So I think it's time to get to know our special guest.
And of course, we would like to call our assistants for the headphones because our candidates will be asked one question only. Same question for everyone, for our top 3 finalists. And of course, for this person, yeah, you know what? Naalala ko, or as far as I remember, itong tao magtatanong sa ating top 3 finalists is lumaban sa Mexico.
Kaya nga.
Meron siyang tagline na manalo sa Mexico.
Yes.
Do you have any idea kung sino ang ating special person to ask the question?
Of course, our Miss Universe Asia herself. So, will the ladies have the headphones in?
For our final question and answer portion.
So, are you ready to meet our lady Miss Universe Philippines 2024 and awarded as Miss Universe Asia? So, as you join us here in the center, Miss Ordaneta, we're going to invite everybody to please place your attention on the screens as we welcome Chelsea Manalo.
Your Miss Universe Philippines 2024 and Miss Universe Asia 2024. And this is my question for you. In a world increasingly connected by technology, how do you balance the benefits of social media with its potential drawbacks?
We use social media to connect with other people, given the social drawbacks that we have. And we can see that it limits us, Filipinos, to connect with other people. So that's why, as Salt and Light of Pangasinan and the Philippines, we must be able to balance technology and communicating with one another through giving the heart of, by giving the heart of, for us to be able to change, for us to be able to balance technology with connecting with other people, we must take importance about our family. We must look forward to it important. We must connect with other people because this is how we live as human people. We connect, we live, and then we serve other people as well. As the salt and light of the Philippines, I'm sorry.
Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan
Okay. Can we call on our next candidate in the top 3? Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan, San Fabian.
Calm down here. Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan, San Fabian.
So she had the earpods and the headphones. She really wasn't able to listen to
Just
the
to make sure.
question.
Just to make sure.
But I'll ask you, Miss San Fabian, to turn your attention to the screen for our question from Miss Chelsea Manalo.
In a world of technology, balance comes from setting boundaries from social media and valuing real-life connections. We should be mindful with our online presence and to really reconnect with people. And I believe by doing this, we are not just uplifting the lives of others, but also creating a positive impact in the social media world. Thank you.
Once again, Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan, San Fabian. That's all. All right, I'm going to ask you to turn